Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. So right now I will be taking my son to his pediatrician's appointment, and then after that I will be setting up my vanity. Hi Andy! Hello! Come here! Andy, come here! Come here! Good boy! Okay, so now I am going to do my vanity. I'm probably going to clear out all the stuff that are on the table and bookcase. My little drawer, Alex drawer thingy doesn't fit anywhere on the wall, so I'm kind of bummed. After taking my son to the pediatrician, I had to edit my video from Vlogmas Day 7. So it's probably going to be up tonight, and then this video is going to be up tomorrow. I'm just so tired of editing. It's just so tiring. I don't know how YouTubers does it. My laptop is 11 years old and it's so slow when I'm editing, so it's just annoying. But anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna clear out everything and then wipe the tables down. Okay, so now everything's clean. I couldn't get off my eyeliner stuff, but I'll figure that out later. Now I need to put my vanity mirror there, clean it a little bit, and then yeah. So this is what I finished so far. All of the stuff that were on the table and vanity table, whatever, are on the ground here, and I just realized that a lot of my stuff are still back at my old house, or I don't know where they are, but I don't see them anywhere in this house. So I am so bummed. I have to go back and get it. I mean, I will visit back there sometime, so I just don't know, like, all of my stuff are... So I bought a lipstick holder rotating thing a while ago. Oh yeah, it's supposed to look like that. Okay. So I know I have some lipsticks here somewhere. These are only for my lipsticks. I want to do the lip glosses differently. So this will be on my shelf. Oh. Let me see if I can find my lipsticks and then put some on here. so if I were to take out the top, I can still take it out. It's easy. Okay, so I need to fill it up more. Since my jewelry case is nowhere to be found, I'm going to just put these clear things in for now. My son's already playing with the lipstick, so so since I found some of my Victoria's Secret and Bath and Body Works sprays, I'm going to just put it on my shelf for now. And my son is playing with my lipstick rotating thing. I'm gonna do this drawer another day, so I left all my makeup outside, so whenever I get to it, I just put all of my makeup here so I can do it later. And I'm not even done with my vanity. All of my stuff is back at my old house. Whenever I go there again, I will grab it. So yeah, I'm going to end this vlog now. I'm so tired from all the cleaning and editing the video from the day before. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next vlogmas. Take care.